So we're back with a brand new product. We've talked about this actually quite a bit. This is actually one of our favorite showcases from CES. This is the myFirst Clario. It is a digital picture frame, communication device, and so much more. And it's great for children connecting with family. Just a very helpful device. This is a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels, a 7-inch screen. It uses an IPS touch panel. It has a built-in 16 gigabytes of storage with 2 megapixel camera on there, as well as 2 gigabytes of RAM. It also supports a micro SD card with up to 128 gigabytes, and it has 2 3-watt speakers, as well as a dual microphone with a negative 58 decibel point sensitivity, so it can really help pick up audio. Let's open this up, talk a little bit more about what you get inside the box. So it's got a nice little welcome guide, the scan. It's got a nice little guide. This specifically has a code in here that allows friends and families to upload pictures to the frame, which is really nice. Then you got your stickers that they love to give for the kids because they love that. Also, this is my stamp you can put on there with people's names. Then you got the quick start guide right here. And then this is the actual screen. And then this box here will be the accessories. Nice. Alright, so this has got a standard power pack, but with one of these really nice multi-head snap-on pieces. This is great for whenever you're taking this device with you to other countries, or you're buying this for family that might not be in the US. It's a real simple situation where you're going to just install and then twist. And if that has the US plug on it, you can also then push this button to take it off, and then swap it with, European, German plug types. You've got a lot of these options just ready to go for you, which is nice. But again, really easy to set that up and snap that in place for when you're getting the power set ready. This is a really heavy duty kind of feel to it. We got a power button right here. This is where the power cord plugs in. It is USB-C, as you can see. Right here is where you can put the expansion card. This is also a little kickstand that you can set up to basically set it up so it has at an angle on a desk. You get the mic on and off. This is the camera button that will swap it on and off. And this is the activity button, as well as this up and down button here with a plus or minus. I imagine that'll be a lot of the way you'll interact with and basically set up things. Volume adjustment, as well as possibly other things, which is cool. But let's go take this, let's go plug this in, and then set it up with some of the cool features that we'll showcase to you. We'll be right back.
Are you mommy?
Yes, I'm mommy.
So I love the fact that this has got a family hub in it that allows you to basically connect with members, video call, voice call. You have really nice soundscapes in here when kids want to calm down or just play with their music. And I also love the fact that family members can drop in pictures real easy for the frame that allows them to share moments with your family, which is awesome. Another really cool feature about this is the really good way that you can connect with family from afar with the video calls. If you have people that live in different states, different countries in your family, this is a good way to allow your child to be able to reach out and contact them and connect with them, even though they're a distance away, which is really nice. So this is more than just a picture frame. This is more than just a Zoom call. This is a connection to family, and that's really awesome. Not to mention the fact that you do have the family hub from myFirst, which is really great at keeping children in that kind of social atmosphere, almost of a social network, but with only people that you trust and allow them to connect to, which is really awesome. Hopefully you guys find this interesting. Hopefully you guys pick this up for your family as well, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.